Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Calendly and connect it to HubSpot. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in calendly.com and press enter. On the Calendly homepage, locate the login button in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will see options to log in with Google, Microsoft, or with your email. Select the option that corresponds to how you created your Calendly account. If you choose to log in with your email, enter your email address and click Continue. Next, check your inbox for a message from Calendly. Open the email and click on the link to verify your identity. Once verified, you will be redirected back to Calendly. Now that you are logged in, look for your account icon in the top right corner. Click on your account icon to access the settings menu. From the drop-down menu, select Integrations. In the Integrations section, find HubSpot. Click on the Connect button next to HubSpot. You will be redirected to the HubSpot login page. Enter your HubSpot credentials and click Login. If prompted, authorize Calendly to access your HubSpot account. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message. To customize the integration, go back to the Calendly integrations page. Adjust any settings according to your needs in the HubSpot integration. Finally, log out of Calendly if you're finished, or start scheduling your events. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.